Great move. All right, march. Master bleeding. The left arm tourniquet. EOD 1, this is Bravo 1. Need a 9-line medevac.
Lower your weapon.
Stay away from the ground. I don't see it. I don't see it.
Stop right there.
It's easy to get into the mindset of, all right, I'm an electrician. I go out and I close out work tasks. But in reality, when we deploy, when we go TDY to places, that electrician might be manning a defensive fighting position and fighting off the enemy. That electrician is going to be responding to drones. Today's Prime BEEF training, we focused on land nav, TCCC, building clearing, defensive fighting positions. We're focused on readiness, so we're trying to modernize with the times and get with the fight.
The most valuable part of training today would have to be working as a team. When you're in the midst of it with your counterparts and you're trying to have one mission and try to complete it, it does change the game.
This training, hands-on training specifically, builds confidence in our airmen because they go through the book work, they go through the training, they understand what it is that they need to be doing, but they aren't necessarily confident in their ability to do it. Once you do it and you work with your team, it definitely builds confidence.
The training event that challenged me the most, I would have to say land navigation, just because I'm not familiar with it too much. But that being said, I was able to overcome and understand quite fast and adapt to what the instructors were informing us on what to do, which allowed me to then execute the mission, and we ended up finding what we needed to find.
Prime BEEF is why CE was created in the Air Force. It's our downrange mission. We show up on a location and we got to set up an air base, and that comes with everything from being able to defend the base to actually pouring the pavement and getting things done.
The more we continue to practice these, not only prepares the individual, but when we do go downrange, we are able to keep calm and help our counterparts when we are in those areas.
The battlefield is ever changing, and there's only so much that we can get from CBTs and our day-to-day jobs. We have to actually go out and train like we're fighting.